Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we've got another hot and humid day in store for us. We'll see those heat index values up around 100 degrees as we go through the late morning hours and into the afternoon today. And we'll also see the potential for a few pop-up showers or thunderstorms across the Delmarva as we go into the afternoon today as well. Looking across the region yesterday, temperatures generally running in the upper 80s to low 90s. We saw high temperatures of 91 degrees reported at Baltimore and Washington, D.C. Also at Newport News, we hit 88 degrees for our daytime high here at Wallops. Overnight last night, a warm and muggy evening for all of us in the region. 75 degrees here at Wallops, 72 the cool spots at Ocean City, Salisbury, and at Richmond. Over the last 24 hours, we see some precipitation showing up throughout the reporting stations. Pax River coming in with almost 6/10 of an inch. Richmond picking up 37/100 of an inch as well. Only picking up a trace of precipitation here at Wallops, but we did have some showers and thunderstorms across the region yesterday afternoon that produced heavier amounts in the local area, but here at the station we only reported a trace. As of 9 a.m., see temperatures generally running in the low 80s, 82 degrees under mostly sunny skies here at Wallops. Looking at our information from this morning's balloon release, that freezing level was at 14,500 feet, and our winds out of a southwesterly direction at the low levels of the atmosphere becoming northerly to northwesterly in direction as we go up in height, and at 25,000 feet we see a north-northwest wind at 20 knots. Current surface analysis showing pretty benign conditions across the eastern United States today. Again, we will see a little bit of potential for a pop-up shower or thunderstorm along the sea breeze boundary that develops across the region this afternoon, but not looking at a very high chance. Looks like a lower coverage of those showers and thunderstorms than what we saw yesterday. Only looking at about a 15% chance here as we go into the early afternoon hours. Current look at radar, nothing to be concerned with out there. Everybody remaining dry this morning throughout the immediate coastal sections of the Delmarva and across the mid-Atlantic region. And as you can see on the satellite, really nothing in the way of cloudiness to be seen here along the Delmarva Peninsula this morning as well. So we'll see mostly sunny skies continuing for the next couple of hours until we get more cumulus buildup along that sea breeze boundary as we go into the late morning and afternoon hours. Taking a look at short-range high-resolution model that we have to look at some of the potential for showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Not really seeing much produced by this model currently for this afternoon. Again, some of our models are producing some showers and thunderstorms popping up along the Delmarva Peninsula along that sea breeze boundary as we go into the early to mid-afternoon hours today, much like what we saw yesterday, except for looks like the coverage will be less as we've got a little less forcing in the area today than what we saw yesterday. You can see this model at about 1 o'clock starts to produce some cells just off to our north into Delaware this afternoon, but keeping our immediate area pretty clear of any shower or thunderstorm activity. And then later on tonight we'll see another weak surface, another piece of energy aloft that will be moving through, and that will possibly bring some showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm between the hours of 8 and midnight tonight, but not looking at very high chances as you can see from this model over the next several hours, as we'll only carry about a 15% chance. So looking at our forecast maps over the next couple of days, you can see that upper level disturbance moving through later this evening, widely scattered showers and thunderstorms, mostly off to our north and west as that moves through the area. And then as we go into the day on Wednesday, we're going to see partly to mostly cloudy skies, and as we get into the later portion of the day, we'll see another chance of some showers and thunderstorms. This looks to be our best chance throughout the next several days as we see a little bit stronger piece of energy move through Wednesday night. So that Wednesday night time period, still not looking like a likely scenario for those showers and thunderstorms, but could see a few scattered showers a little bit more widespread as we go into the Wednesday evening time frame. So looking at the next 24 hours, we've got pretty much two time frames here between the hours of noon today and 4 p.m. where we'll run about a 15% chance Then another time period between 8 p.m. and midnight tonight where we'll see about a 15% chance of a shower or thunderstorm being produced. Overnight tonight, expecting partly cloudy skies. It will be another muggy evening with a low temperature right around 76 degrees. As we go through the day on Wednesday, we'll see temperatures warming into the low 90s. That chance of showers and thunderstorms during the late afternoon and evening hours. 92 degrees, your daytime high temperature for Wednesday. Wednesday night, looking at a low temperature of 75. And then for Thursday, partly cloudy and continued warm conditions. That humidity will be slightly lower on Thursday than what we will see over the course of the next couple of days, but it will still be pretty warm and muggy out there with a daytime high of 90 degrees. So for the next 7 days, looking at temperatures right around that 90-degree mark for the next several days as we go into the end of the week. Again, probably the best chance of precipitation for the next few days will be Wednesday evening, and then we'll see a better chance of some rain shower activity and some thunderstorms also as we go to the later portion of this weekend. Right now, it looks like first part of Saturday should be in pretty good shape as far as avoiding those showers and thunderstorms, but as we get into Saturday evening and especially into Sunday and Monday, looks like things will get pretty unsettled around here with a good chance of some shower and thunderstorm activity. High temperatures in the mid to upper 80s, and again, those overnight low temperatures really not dropping too much as we'll see lows in the mid 70s. All right, to wrap it up for today's weather briefing, we'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.